So what about the campus life? So actually I have already shown the image of that. So but I am giving you the some more glimpse of the campus life. So what about the campus life of this GD Gunekar University? In terms of campus life, no any doubt that it is the one of the marvelous college and it have a great things. Okay, so it have a various facilities available here. So that will be fine. Okay, and in terms of campus wise, very fine this college. Giving you the glimpse of the campus life, so you can observe clearly here that there are various facilities available, tech fest, cultural fest, and these are the actually the many foreigner students also reside here in GD Gunekar University. Beside that, you will enjoy a good and overall marvelous campus life in this college. Okay, so this is all about actually the view of the GD Gunekar orientation program. So you will enjoy the orientation, fresher party and all things, Reva fresher. So again marvelous things for the Reva annual fest. So this have a currently annual fest also going on, so marvelous and farewell variety of means campus life is in the GD Gunekar University. So we'll enjoy overall the topmost things in the GD Gunekar University. Talking to the most very important about the placement. So what about the placement record of the GD Gunekar University? Okay, so I am giving you the latest placement sale. So first let me talk about the important company that visited here. So these are the some important companies such as the Wipro, HDFC Life, HCL, Decathlon, Tech Mahindra, Pep Coding, Paris Johnson, Delathon, SEDNR, Andy Dara, Aspirar, Steria, and beside that various important company that visited here. Okay, so you can also hear that Big Bash, Avanti, FT, Probe, Delta X. So these are the important placement recruiter that visit in this college. Talking about the placement drive so far, so CTC above 4 lakh is 410, that is marvelous, means average is almost 4.5 lakh for the CTC, and the CTC above 3 lakh, that is 55 students got so, and this is the actually the graph of the students got placed. So you can clearly visualize that almost every student got the placement. Okay, and company with a different job profile. So these are the graph for the company with different job profile and different job sector. So in terms of placement by way, this is the marvelous and variety of company you can clearly visualize that visit here. Okay, so these are separate courses for different branches. So according to that, variety of company came and they offer placement. They have also a separate placement sale about that to assist the student to get the help. Okay, so that is all about the placement scenario of this college. Now moving to the next very important, that is the fee structure. Okay, so what about the fee structure of this? So actually these have a various schools also too, means School of Agriculture Science, schools of law, academies. So this is all. So fee structure is different for the different program. Okay, so I am giving you the fee structure of this college. So what about the fee structure? Because many person or many students have a doubt that is it means manageable or is it average or high or low. So what about the fee structure of this college? So I am giving you the fee structure of this college, that are the GD Gunekar University. So this is actually latest fee structure for the all courses. I am showing you first. Let me show you the School of Engineering and Science courses. So what about the fee structure for the science courses? So these are the fee structure for the BTech in CSC 4th year, that is you have to pay 2,05,000 annual fee, little bit costly, and security deposit you have to pay 25,000. Similarly for the BTechs in ECE you have to pay 1,25,000 for the first time and 25,000 for the later. BTech in mechatronics you have to pay 125. Similar courses, means in terms of BTech you have to pay similar prices. For the BTech in chemistry you have to pay 75,000 per year. BTech in mathematics you have to pay 75,000, and all about this. I will provide the link in description also, from where you can check out the fee structure of this college too. So that is all about the School of Engineering and Science. And if I give you the School of Law, so what about the School of Law? For the BA LLB course, that is 5-year course. So in the annual you have to pay 1,25,000, means total sum that is the 5 lakh and 6 lakh about that. Okay, so BA LLB honors, so 99,000, all about that. So now moving to the last section, that is the very important about the pros and cons. So what is about the pros and cons of this college? Okay, so before moving to the pros and cons, let me tell you one more things, that this college have a great faculties, member teams, and most of them have the PhD degree holder, and some of them also from the IIT graduates. So in terms of faculties member are overall very fantastic, and various of the journals they have published. Okay, so in terms of faculty member is also fine. Last thing about the pros and cons, so I am talking about that. So pros I have already discussed various things, that this have a good placement sale. Okay, and completely focused for the various companies. Besides that, they have a good campus life, various basic facilities and advanced facilities available in this college. I have already showed you the means campus tour of that college, so you can clearly visualize that how far a campus and very greenless campus is that. And what about the cons? Because cons is very important for this college. So cons is that little bit costly. Okay, so if you are belong to the middle class family, though it provide the scholarship, but little bit costly for the especially the average class family. And some courses are not much more good, they are just in a developing stage, such as you can say the BSc, okay, BSc up in a physics and all course, that is just developing, but or in BTech and LLB, these are all fine courses, so you can opt for that depending on that. So if you want to take admission into this college, then yeah, you can surely opt for this college, and this have a great and all things about that. Okay, and if you are interested in this college, then you can also have to just fill up the form that will be provided in the link in the description. I have also already mentioned that, so you have to just fill up the form. After that, all formalities will be done by the member. Okay, so that is all about the GD Gonenka University. So guys, I have covered the all detail about the GD Gonenka University, about the placement, admission and all things. So I hope this video really helpful for you, and this will help you in deciding the college that whether I should choose this college or not. So this is all about the GD Gonenka University. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा आपको, वही लाइक कर दे, शेयर करें, एंड मेक श्योर टू सपोर्ट माय चैनल फॉर सच इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.